Hi everyone, it's Adyel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited about this video because I'm doing a Halloween lookbook for 2019. I did one last year for 2018 and I just had to do one this year again. So shout out to Fashion Nova for sending me 6 Halloween costumes to do this lookbook. And also shout out to Spoon Images for filming this for me. She literally killed it. So this first costume is a basketball bunny babe, they call it, inspired by Space Jam, and this is the cutest thing ever. So this next costume is a Femme Doll robot. It is the cutest thing ever, and you can use the code Adyel to get money off all your Fashion Nova orders in general. I love this costume so much. It is literally so me, and I think this will probably be my first pick for my first Halloween party this year. Next, this is another one of my favorites. Honestly, I can't really pick a favorite, so y'all better let me know in the comments what you think. But this is like a plastic doll 80s aerobics costume. This is so cute. And this one is so unique and intricate. And by the way, if you do want to watch my last year's one, I did a lot more DIY costumes instead of using the costume kits. So definitely go watch that after this one. So costume number 4 is this maid outfit, and I paired all my costumes with this makeup look right here, which I feel like is perfect and neutral. You could change up the lip color, you have a little bit of rhinestone action, and I just love this look. So I'm pretty sure you guys all know what this one is. This is a Princess Jasmine costume. I absolutely love this one so much. I love all the details and the colors. Also, I know y'all probably have been staring at my nails this entire video. Shout out to my girl, nailbynat_ on Instagram, for always getting my nails right. So for the finale, this last costume is a Flintstones inspired costume, and isn't this just the cutest thing? I'm literally living. So that concludes my Halloween 2019 lookbook. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to read all your comments and see what outfit was your favorite. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram already, be sure to do so because I'm going to be posting some behind the scenes pictures that Gabby and I took of these costumes. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!